first kind of proper week back after the break. So happy New Year to everybody. It feels in the last week that everything's really busy at the moment, which is great. It's lovely to see our services being used. There's loads of highlights I've got, and I'm going to rattle through a few of them. I think that going live with Anima across 2 more sites in the last week has been really positive and really great for patients. We've seen the winter pressure appointments just being upped massively and being utilised really well across the city, and all respect to the team for getting that kind of all the staff in the right places and the rotors on. There's lots of work going on in the business development team with tenders, and seen lots of work going into that over the holiday period. So I think that's been really good. The research team are also really busy. They are recruiting into their first commercial trial, Ionis, and that's been going well. They had an inspection from one of the companies who are doing that this week. So, it was really great to see all of them working on that. And then I think finally, we've welcomed Southall into the PCS practices. And that's been a really big piece of work from both sides, from both Southall and from PCS. And it's just really great that we've got that over the line, and they're now finally part of the PCS practices family. So I think just a massive thank you to all the teams who've been involved in that, and a huge welcome to Southall. It's just really exciting to have them on board and part of PCS. I think for me, the last couple of weeks have been really focused on embedding Anima into the practices, and I've done a lot of work in that. And I've worked with the teams who've really kind of stood out and being innovative. This is a whole new system that we're using to make life hopefully better for our patients. And I think it has already shown that we're improving access for our patients, which is brilliant. And I am going to single out Lucy Moore, who's one of the managers who's been working really hard on this, and just her ability to turn a hand to it all, to find innovative ways of solving the problems, and just her presence around the surgeries has just been amazing. So this week I think Lucy Moore really has shown the values of PCS. I'm going over to see the Southall team at the end of this week, so really, really keen to meet them and welcome them all in. I'm really excited about that. And then next week we are rolling out Anima to our next 2 sites, so going live into PCS Buchanan and Healy. So really keen for that to happen. Again, I think the benefits to the patients and the staff will be big in the coming months. So really excited to see that happen.